Now, students, I'm going to explain you aluminum refining industry. After the iron and steel industry, aluminum refining is another important industry. This mineral is light in weight, strong, malleable, smooth conductor of the electricity, and rust proof. So, bauxite is the aluminum ore. Other minerals are mixed with the aluminum, which is useful in making cars, railways, aeroplanes, and machines. About 40 to 50% expenses is incurred in the electricity. So these industries founded where hydroelectricity and bauxites are available very easily. Factories producing aluminum are established in Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Now students, copper refining industries. The uses of copper has increased due to its properties such as copper is a conductor of the electricity. It can be mixed with the other minerals also. So copper is useful in electricity industries in making of refrigerator, air conditioner, automobiles, radiators, domestic utensils, etc. First copper refining unit of India was founded by Indian Copper Corporation ICC at Sheila in Jharkhand. In 1972, ICC was handed over to Hindustan Copper Limited HCL. Beside HCL today, copper is produced by the private sector also. See, the domestic production is not enough, so it has to be imported. Now, chemical industry. The position of chemical industry in India is important. Chemicals are of two types. One is organic and second is inorganic. Now petrochemicals is main organic chemical industry. It uses artificial fibers, artificial rubber, plastic goods, color, chemical in medicines. Organic chemical industry is founded near oil refineries, petrol chemical centers. Inorganic chemicals are used in a phosphoric acid, nitric acid, salt, soda ash, caustic soda and chlorine, etc. India has an important position in the world in insecticide industry. Gujarat leads in the country in the chemical industry. Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Ankleshwar, Bharuch are the main centers of the chemical industry. Now chemical fertilizer industry. First chemical fertilizer industries was established in 1906 in Ranipat in Tamil Nadu. The development of this industry started when Fertilizer Corporation of India started in the factory at Sindri. This industry is centered in Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Kerala. In Gujarat, the factory producing chemical fertilizers are located at Kalol, Kandla, Hazira, Bharuch and Vadodara, etc. Now plastic industry. Plastic industry is also known as sunrise industry. There has been a constant increase in the demand of such raw material for the plastic because it is waterproof and can fit into any mold, any direction. It is used in packing chemicals, textiles, buildings, construction, vehicles, manufacturing, electronic, etc. Important centers producing plastic are Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bengaluru, Vadodara, Vapi, Kanpur, Coimbatore and Chennai. Cement industry. Cement is necessary. Inevitable means students necessary. In the construction of roads, dams, that you know students. India ranks second after China in the cement production. It produces about 6% of the world production. Now limestone, coal, gypsum, bauxite, clay. These all are the raw material for the cement industry. The raw materials and the products have more weight. So cement factories are located where raw materials are available in a more quantity. That's fairly good for the transportation development of this industry in the Gujarat. Now students, transport equipment industry means the industry which produces the transportation goods. Okay, you might have seen the many types of vehicles. Okay, so the industry which produces such vehicles is known as transport industry. Now railway service deserve appreciation of traveling in India. Railway manufacture the equipment of its own requirement by itself, like the engines, passenger coach, goods coach, etc. So these are all produced privately. There are three types of railway engines: steam engine, diesel engine, electric engine, that you know very well, student. The steam engines are now used only for heritage trains. Heritage means what? Mostly that trains that run in the hill station, which are run only for tourism purpose. Now diesel electric engines now are produced at Mihijam in Chittaranjan Locomotive Work in West Bengal, diesel locomotive work at Varanasi, and Tata locomotive work at Jamshedpur. Passenger coaches are manufactured in Perambur, Bangalore, Kapurthala and Kolkata. Now road vehicle, bus, truck, rickshaw, car, these all vehicles. Now we used to manufacture cars by assembling. Students, you know what you mean assembling means joining its important parts. Now the factory manufacturing truck, bus, car, motorcycle, scooter, cycle are established in our country. The road vehicles are manufactured mostly by private sector. India ranked 5th, student underline, India ranked 5th in the world in the production of commercial vehicles. Today, the vehicles and their spare parts manufactured in India are exported to foreign country. Nowadays, we are in the condition that we are exporting this all spare parts and everything. And tractors, cycles are produced in very large scale, and we export them overseas, means abroad. Now, shipbuilding industry, the industry that there are centers of building ships of modern style. These are Visakhapatnam, Kolkata, Kochi, Mumbai, Goa, which are in public sector. Kochi and Visakhapatnam build ships of larger size. Private dockyards fulfill local needs. We also have to started producing helicopters. Aircraft building units are established in Bangalore, Korpat, Nasik, Hyderabad and Lucknow. The building of aircrafts for passenger travels has still not started in India. Now electronic industries. Radio set, telephone industries was established in India in 1905. This can be said to be the beginning of electronic industries in India. Bharat Electronic Limited, BEL, was established in 1956 in Bangalore with the motive to manufacture equipment for Akashvani and Veda department. Today, it produces various electronic equipment in collaboration with Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. This industry has brought a lot of changes in the normal life of the people. This lifestyle and the national economy. Bangalore has become the capital of the industries. So it is also known as Silicon Valley of India. This will ask in MCQ students. Silicon Valley. Swartway Park, Science Park, Technological Park are established for the development of this industry. The future of this industry in India is very optimistic. Industrial pollution and environmental degradation. Industrial production has noteworthy. This question will ask for 3 marks, so you have to do it. Industrial production has a noteworthy contribution in the economic development of the nation. Industries have increased pollution in the environment has degraded. When the environmental conditions deteriorate due to the natural and man-made reasons, the quality of the environment is reduced, which is called environmental degradation. Students, you know very well this. Mainly 4 types of pollutions are created, that air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. Industries have polluted air and water to a greater extent in the present age of competition. The air has become polluted due to the very harmful gases like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide. Water pollution has increased due to the industrial effluents. Today, many factories release their industrial waste into the rivers. Effluents means the gases and all. Water body is heavily polluted. All the rivers and ponds that get polluted. Noise pollution is one of the reason for the deafness in the human life. The human being that become deaf. Due to the old machinery in the industries, means of transportation, the noise pollution has decreased. Man experiences mental tension because of this noise. Now, how to solve this problem? Remedies to solve the environmental degradation. Students, you have to learn. This will ask for 3 marks. The industry should make progress. but the progress should be made in such a way that the environment is not degraded. The amount of pollution can be reduced with a proper planning for industrial development. Pollution can be reduced by selection of proper equipment, quality equipment and fuel. The air pollution can be curbed through filter, air pollution scrubber and precipitors. These all that purify the air. The water pollution can be prevented by releasing industrial effluents after proper treatment. Industrial water can be purified after due to the treatment. Okay, where are the sugarcane industry located? Why? So answer that you will get in the sugar industry, in that sugar industry located nearby the sugarcane growing areas. Write a short note on iron and steel industry, page number 106. Importance of the industries, that the page number 103, second paragraph, importance of the industries. Write a short notes on the cotton textile industry. So it is very big, you comprehend the answer. This will ask for 3 marks, the cotton textile industries. Then mention the steps to curb the environmental degradation, page number 110, last paragraph, answer of this. Describe the classification of industries, page number 103, the second last paragraph, classification of the industries. Now, how many shipbuilding centers are there? Which are there? That you will get the answer in shipbuilding industry. Why raw material is needed in manufacturing cement? So, page number 108, in cement industry you will get the answer. Whereas centers of chemical industry located in Gujarat. So, that you will chemical industries, that you will write down Kalol, Kandla, Hazira, Bharuch and Vadodara. And paper industries, that you will answer that you file in paper industries, that 4 centers of paper industry that you will find in Gujarat. Which of the following cities are called cottonopolis? Answer is Mumbai, B. Which place does the India holds in the export of jute? Answer is A, second. Which Indian city is well known as a Silicon Valley of India? Answer is B, Bangalore. Where is the mini steel plant located in Gujarat? Answer is D, Hazira. Which of the following pairs is false? Answer is D, Andhra Pradesh, Banpur.